Okay girls, now we are starting with the topic matrix multiplication. So when we have to multiply two matrices, their order is of great importance. Let us start with, let A be a matrix of order m by n and B be a matrix of order p by q. Now we can multiply the two matrices AB if and only if number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. So you can see here I can multiply AB if n is equal to p, and as a result I will get a matrix AB of order m by q. Yes, similarly if I want to multiply BA, so what I have done, I have written B before. B is of order p by q and A is of order m by n. So I can multiply BA if number of columns in B, that is q, should be equal to number of rows in A, that is m. So q should be equal to m. If q is equal to m, only then I can multiply BA. So matrix multiplication is not commutative at all. AB is not equal to BA. In fact, you will see that in some of the cases AB will exist while BA will not exist at all. For example, I have taken one example and I have also shown you how to multiply the two matrices. So I have taken a matrix A 2, 3, 3, 4 of order 2 by 2 and B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of order 2 by 3. So you can see that number of columns in A is 2 and number of rows in B is also 2. So I can multiply AB. So जब आप AB को multiply करोगे तो you will get a matrix of order 2 by 3. From where this 2 by 3 comes? Since number of rows in matrix A is 2, so number of rows in the resulting matrix will also be 2. And number of columns in B is 3. So number of columns in the resulting matrix AB will also be 3. So as a result, AB will be a matrix of order 2 by 3. So if you have a matrix of order 2 by 3, their elements will be A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. So these elements help us to know how to multiply the two matrices. So now let us come to the first element A11. How you will get this? So A11, so first row, first column. So you will multiply first row of matrix A with the first column of matrix B. So see, you will get 2 ones are 2 plus 3 fours are 12. I hope this is clear to you. Similarly, for A12, 1 A1, first row of A, 2, second column of B. So first row of A is 2, 3 and second column of matrix B is 2, 5. So you will multiply 2 and 3 with 2 and 5. So see, 2 multiply 2 is 4 and 3 multiply 5 is 15 and you will add them. So you are getting 2 2s are 4 plus 15. Similarly, A13, first row, third column. So you will multiply first row 2, 3 of matrix A with the third column of matrix B, that is 3, 6. So 2 3s are 6 plus 3 6 are 18. Next is A21. So second row of matrix A and first column of matrix B. Second row of matrix A is 3, 4 and first column of matrix B is 1, 4. So you will be getting 3 ones are 3 plus 4 4 16. Then A22, second row of A and second column of B. 2 3s are 6 plus 4 5s are 20. Then A23, second row of A and third column of B. So 3 3s are 9 plus 4 6 are 24. And finally you will add them. So when you will add them, you are getting 14, 19, 24, 19, 26 and 33. So similarly, now if I want to multiply BA, so I will write B before A. So when I am writing B, B is a matrix of order 2 by 3 and A is a matrix of order 2 by 2. So you can see that number of columns in matrix B is 3, whereas number of rows in matrix A is 2. So number of columns in the first matrix is not equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. So BA is not defined here. Clear? So next is this example. A is a matrix of order 3 by 2, 3 rows and 2 columns, and B is a matrix of order 2 by 3, that is 2 rows and 3 columns. So we have to multiply AB and BA. Now they are saying AB is conformable. Conformable means we can multiply A, B, because number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. 2 is equal to 2. And as a result, you will get a matrix of order 3 by 3. So, वही करना है आपको. A11 first element है, first row, first column. Then first row, second column. Then first row, third column. Similarly, second row, first column, you will get 1. Second row, second column, you are getting 20. Second row, second column. ये कुछ मिस्टेक किया इन्होंने शायद. Yes, AB में जो A22 एलिमेंट आना है, तो सेकेंड रो सेकेंड कॉलम जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, you will be getting -8 plus 0. So आंसर will be -8, not 20. So A22 जो इनका 20 आ रहा है AB मैट्रिक्स में, that should be 8. Next is second row, second column. So -1 into -3 is +3. Plus 0 into -4 is 0. So answer is 3. Similarly, अब आ गया A33. So third row, third column 0. Then third row, second column. So you will be getting 30. And third row, third column. You'll getting -12. So this is AB. Now they are saying BA is also conformable, means you can find BA. Since if I write B before A, B is a matrix of order 2 by 3 and A is a matrix of order 3 by 2. So number of columns in B is 3 and number of rows in A is also 3. So we can find BA. And as a result, I will get a matrix of order 2 by 2. So BA देखो. Now for first row, first column. First row is -1, 8, -3 and first column is 5, -1, 0. So when you will multiply, you will get -5, -8 plus 0, that is -13. Then first row, second column. First row is -1, 8, -3 and second column of B is A is -6, 0, 3. So when you will multiply them, you will be getting +6, -9, that is -3. Then 2, 1. Second row, first column. Second row is 0, 10, -4 and first column is 5, -1, 0. So you will be getting -10. Then second row, second column. So 0, 0 and -12. So you will be getting -12. So BA is a matrix of order 2 by 2. So similarly देखो next example में इन्होंने और clearly करके दिखाया है. A is a matrix of order 2 by 3 and B is a matrix of order 3 by 2. Find AB and BA and show that AB is not equal to BA. So, A is a matrix with 3 columns and B is a matrix with 3 rows. So, AB is definable and as a result, we will get a matrix of order 2 by 2. Now, first row of A is 1, -2, 3 and first column of B is 2, 4, 2. So we'll multiply them. देखो इन्होंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा डिटेल में लिख के दिखाया है. So as a result you will be getting answer 2 1s are 2 -8 plus 6 which is equal to 0. Then first row, second column. First row is 1 -2 3 and second column is 3 5 1. So when you will multiply them you will get 3 -15 plus 3. So answer is, sorry 5 2 गलती हो गई है ये, 3 -10 plus 3 आना था. So answer is -4. Next A22, second row of A and A21, second row of A and first column of B, -4 2 5 and 2, 4, 2. So when you will multiply them, you will get minus 8 plus 8 plus 10. So answer is 10. Next is minus 12 plus 10 plus 5. So answer is 3. So you can see we can easily multiply them by writing the elements first. आप पहले elements भी लिख सकते हो जिससे you will get to know easily कि कौन से column को कौन सी row के साथ multiply करना है. So we always take rows of the first matrix and columns of the second matrix to multiply. And to check, we check that columns of first matrix, number of columns in the first matrix should be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. So यहाँ पे उन्होंने ए बी फाइंड किया था. नाउ जब बी ए फाइंड करेंगे तो यू कैन सी नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स इन बी इज़ 2 एंड नंबर ऑफ रोज इन ए इज़ ऑल्सो 2. सो हैंस बी ए इज़ ऑल्सो कन्फर्मेबल. वी कैन फाइंड बी ए. सो यहाँ पे इन्होंने पूरा बी ए प्रॉपरली फाइंड करके दिखाया हुआ है अच्छे से. यू कैन चेक इट एंड हैंस दे आर गेटिंग आंसर a matrix of order 3 by 3. So clearly AB is not equal to BA. So same is example number 5. If A and B are two matrices given to you, you have to find AB and BA whichever exists. So in this case also, since both are 2 by 2 order matrices, so AB and BA both will exist. Both will also be a matrix of order 2 by 2, but they are not equal. So matrix multiplication is strictly not commutative. Example 6. A and B are two matrices of order 3 by 3. Find AB and show that the product is an identity matrix. No. Show that the product. एक मिनट, यहाँ क्वेश्चन ठीक से नहीं आया. Okay, so we were doing example 6. Let us reread the statement. If A is a matrix of order 3 by 3, B is a matrix of order 3 by 3, find AB and show that the product by an identity matrix A reproduces B matrix. So in this case, जो आपको A matrix दी हुई है, if you can see, A is a matrix with diagonal elements as 1 and all other entries are 0. I told you such a matrix is known as an identity matrix. So this matrix plays the role of 1 in matrices. जैसे जब हम जनरल रियल नंबर्स पढ़ते हैं तो 1 को आप किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो दैट नंबर कम्स बाय इटसेल्फ. 2 1 is 2, 5 1 is 5, 100 1 is 100. So whenever you multiply any number by 1, the number comes itself as a answer. So same here, जब हम identity matrix को किसी भी matrix से multiply करते हैं, so answer will be that matrix itself. So यही यहाँ पे उन्होंने बोला है, since A is a matrix of order 3 by 3, B is a matrix of order 3 by 3, so we can multiply AB. So जब आप AB को multiply करोगे, करके देख लेना, first row first column, first row second column, first row third column. Yes, then second row of A, first column of B, then second row of A, second column of B, second row of A and third column of B. Then third row of A, first column of B, third row of A, second column of B, third row of A and third column of B. So as a result you will get AB. So आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे जब उसने AB फाइंड किया है, so answer is again equal to B only. So whenever we multiply any matrix by the identity matrix, the answer is the matrix itself. Now let us come to 7th example. Now 7th example में we are given 3 matrices A, B and C of order 2 by 2 each. We have to find A square first of all. So A square कैसे find करेंगे? So ये भी आपने याद रखना है. This is known as power of matrices. That is, you have to find A square, A cube and so on. So A square means A is multiplied by A only. So you can see, सबसे ऊपर किया इन्होंने, A square is equal to A into A. So 2 3 4 5 को 2 3 4 5 से ही multiply करना है. So first row of A, first column of A, then first row of A, second column of A, then second row of A, first column of A, answer is 28, and then second row of A, second column of A, answer is 37. So in this way you have got A square. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में दे हैव आस्क्ड प्रूव दैट a इंटू ब्रैकेट में BC इज इक्वल टू AB इन द ब्रैकेट एंड देन C. सो यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट का रोल इम्पॉर्टेंट है. पहले आपने ब्रैकेट वाला पार्ट सॉल्व करना है और फिर दूसरा करना है. सो अगर मैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड देखूँ तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर पहले BC है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई BC. तो BC का जो आपका आंसर आएगा उसको आपने A से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. एंड फॉर द राइट हैंड साइड यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई AB एंड AB का जो आंसर आएगा उसको फिर आपने C से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो लेट अस सी फॉर द सेकेंड पार्ट. उन्होंने क्या किया, सबसे पहले AB फाइंड कर लिया और फिर BC फाइंड कर लिया. अब जो BC का आंसर आया था 14, 14, 28, 28 उसको दे आर मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय A, पर A को पहले लिखा है. सो A इज़ 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड BC इज़ 14, 14, 28, 28. So as a result they are getting answer as 112, 112, 196, 196. So for the right hand side उन्होंने AB फाइंड किया हुआ है. सो AB के राइट साइड पे C को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो व्हेन दे हैव डन दिस दे आर गेटिंग द आंसर एज सेम as the left hand side. So this property that A into BC is equal to AB into C is known as associative law. So matrix multiplication is associative, or we can say this is called associative law of matrix multiplication. Now third part में क्या प्रूव करना था हमें, that A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. सो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के लिए पहले आप B और C को ऐड करोगे और जो आंसर आएगा उसके लेफ्ट साइड पे A को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. एंड फॉर द राइट हैंड साइड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल मल्टीप्लाई AB, देन यू विल मल्टीप्लाई AC एंड देन यू विल ऐड देम. सो यही किया इन्होंने भी. देखो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के लिए दे आर एडिंग B एंड C को ऐड करके देन A के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया है. सो A को लेफ्ट साइड पे लिखा है 2, 2, 3, 3 एंड B plus C is 6, 4, 8, 9 एंड एज अ रिजल्ट दे आर गेटिंग देयर आंसर. नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट AB हम ऊपर भी कर चुके थे, दे हैव डन इट अगेन. एंड देन प्रोडक्ट AC फाइंड किया एंड देन AB और AC को ऐड कर दिया. सो आंसर इज सेम एज दैट ऑफ द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. नेक्स्ट इज एग्जाम्पल नंबर 8. इफ A is equal to this then find A square minus 5A plus 6I. So always remember we can find integral powers of a matrix if and only if it is a square matrix. क्योंकि अगर square matrix नहीं होगी तो जो ऑर्डर होगा, जैसे अगर स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स नहीं है तो 2/3 ऑर्डर है, तो 2/3 ऑर्डर की मैट्रिक्स को आप 2/3 ऑर्डर की मैट्रिक्स से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ रोज विल नॉट बी इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स. सो इंटीग्रल पावर्स कैन बी फाइंड ओनली इन केस ऑफ स्क्वायर मैट्रिसेस. सो A स्क्वायर फाइंड करना था तो A को 2 बार लिख के दे हैव सिंपली मल्टीप्लाइड देम एंड दे आर गेटिंग द आंसर. देन 5, उसके बाद उन्होंने क्या किया है, दे हैव टू फाइंड A स्क्वायर माइनस 5A प्लस 6I. सो ये देखो A स्क्वायर की वैल्यू पुट कर दी. दे वर गेटिंग A स्क्वायर एज 590 माइनस 1 2 माइनस 2 माइनस 1 2 5 माइनस 2. देन माइनस 5 टाइम्स A प्लस 6 टाइम्स आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. अब यहाँ पे आपने ये याद रखना है, उन्होंने क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ I बोला है. दे हैव नॉट गिवन यू द ऑर्डर ऑफ I. I is an identity matrix. Since A is of order 3/3, so identity matrix will also take as a matrix of order 3/3. So जब हम इसको सब्सटीट्यूट कर देंगे सिंपली, अब ये पता है आपको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो ये स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन है. देन 6 से करना है, स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, पूरी मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लाई होगी एंड एज अ रिजल्ट बाय सिंपली एडिंग एंड सब्ट्रैक्टिंग दे आर गेटिंग द आंसर. सो दिस इज द एक्सरसाइज in this book. If you want to try it, this is the exercise. So you can copy questions from here and these are the answers. Then कुछ answers ऊपर हैं और कुछ नीचे हैं. So you can try this exercise as well as you can try the exercise in your book. So I hope you'll get to know how to do matrix multiplication.